Hello guys, just have a look at the beast, and today we are presenting Tata Harrier, which has the tagline of born of Land Rover pedigree. Just have a look at it, how beautiful this car is looking. Let me just show you the front profile, how this car looks. See, this car is really looking beautiful in black color. This is, I guess, the new version of Tata Harrier. It has the projector lights available on the front with the normal headlamps, and on the bottom it has the fog lights. It has the rugged bonnet and the bumper with the honeycomb structure at the bottom where you can see the Harrier written, and this is the piano finish front of this car, which comes with the Tata logo at the center. And see how the car is designed in a way so that it can maintain an aerodynamic design, and it can cut the air and maintain its speed. And I'll just show you the side profile of this car. See how beautiful this car is looking. This is the side profile of this car. I'll just show you the tire size. It comes with the Aptera HP Apollo tires. These are the diamond cut alloy wheels. Let me just show you the dimension of this car. The tires, it has 235 by 65 R17 dimensions, and these are quite broad tires. See from here, this is the fuel lid, and these lights are quite stylish over here. And at the back it has the rear wiper. Okay, and then at the back on the center, this car has the Tata badging, and the bottom, just at the center of the dicky, or you can say the boot, it has the Harrier branding over here. These are the rear sensing sensors, and it has the antenna on the top, and these are the stop lights mounted on the top at the rear side spoiler. And then this is the Harrier branding in the chrome plating. Okay, and see, this is again the side profile from the co-driver's side. Okay, and these are the electronic ORVMs. This is the Hash Dark Edition that you can see the branding over here. I'll just show you the profile once again. Just have a look at it once more. Okay, so let's now get inside this car and see how this car looks from inside. Let's have a look. Okay, so I'm inside the car. Okay, let me just turn on the car and see how the instrument cluster looks like. This is the instrument cluster of this car. It has a very good RPM meter to it. See, this shows how many kilometers this car can run with the available fuel. Currently, I guess it is on reserve. It has the speed of 220 in the speedometer, and I guess the instrument cluster looks quite beautiful here. And then if I talk about the AC vents, it has chrome plated AC vents, and then it has the electronically controlled ORVMs. If you can see, I'm rotating it from here, and see how well this is designed. This comes with a combination of black and gray finish, and this car really looks beautiful. This has the silver plated door openers, and over here it has, see, these are the buttons to control the AC speed and everything, and this is the button to put this car on economy mode. This is for the sports mode, and this is to turn on the fog lights. Okay, and these are the controls to operate the audio system. And see, this is the handbrake bar. This is actually the manual transmission car. It comes with 6 gears, and these are the gears over here, and this is the handrest. And see, it has enough space. It has same feature as Safari. It has 12-volt charger, then 2 USB ports of 5 volt and 2.4 amperes. It has the cup holders over here. Okay, and these on the co-driver seat also it goes really good experience. The dashboard also looks quite beautiful. It really gives you a very luxury feeling over here on the top. Then panoramic sunroof it has, and then these are the controls to operate the sunroof. This is the cabin lights, and it has two mics again in it, and this doesn't have a parcel tray in it. And on the left side it does not comes with the vanity mirror, but that's okay, I guess that's quite manageable. Okay, and then it has the door handles to maintain the grip over here, and then this button is to lock the power buttons. So I guess this is it. This looks really beautiful, and it again comes with 6 airbags, 2 at the front, 4 on the car doors. Okay, AC is quite powerful. I'm already chilled. The temperature, wow, I mean this is really cooling the car fast. No doubt about it, I'm not disappointed with the AC performance. I really like it. Okay, let's go at the back and see how this car performs. See, if you see on the front door, it has the umbrella holder in it and a bottle holder. It has enough space, and then there's a light. When you open the door, this light blinks up, and it gives a very thud sound when you close the door. No doubt about it, it is really good. And see, this is the rear profile of this car. This again has the umbrella holder and a bottle holder in it, and then you can keep your personal belongings over here. Maybe this has enough space where you can keep your purse, and from here you can operate the power windows. And then this is the door opener, which is coated in silver. And then at the back you can see again this has enough space to keep your personal belongings. Maybe a purse can help. And then this has enough space, I guess 4 people can easily sit. If I sit here, see, I'm able to sit, and I guess enough space is there. And if I talk about the AC, there are 2 AC vents provided on the B pillar of the car. This is the one, another one is available on that side, so it really gives you a very good experience. I don't think that this car compromises on the cooling part. I'm totally satisfied. See how beautiful the profile is looking over here. So the boot has enough space. You can keep around 8 standard luggage bags over here. This has a very big boot tray. Okay, and then from here you can just shift this cardboard, and see there's enough space at the bottom also. This is the toolbox for changing the tire. This boot tray can be removed from here, and then you can reinstall this boot tray over here. Okay, so I hope you are satisfied with this. Do let me know your point of view, your feedback about this car. I hope I was able to do the justice with the walk around of this car. See you soon, guys. Thank you.